Yeah, this one frustrates a lot of people. Your truck didn't change, your routes didn't change, you didn't change, but your premium still went up. Why? Here's the simple truth. Insurance pricing isn't based only on you, it's based on everything happening in your market. If there are more accidents, bigger payouts, or higher repair costs in your state this year, every driver in that risk pool feels it, even ones with a clean record. Sometimes the risk level in your area you operate also shifts, and that can raise rates even if nothing about your own driving record or equipment changed. You're not doing anything wrong, you're not being singled out. Now, the good news, as your insurance agency, we check multiple providers and see if you qualify for better pricing or updated options. We monitor market trends all year long so you don't have to, and when something changes, we tell you. So yes, premiums can go up, but you're not alone in it, and we're here to help you stay protected while keeping your cost as manageable as possible.